The 2026 Lexus LX 570 Wald Edition roars onto the luxury SUV scene with a presence that commands instant respect. This isn't just another high-end Lexus, it's an all-out statement of power, refinement, and style. The Wald body kit transforms the LX 570 from a traditional luxury cruiser into a road-dominating beast that merges Japanese craftsmanship with a street-tuned attitude. One look at it, and you instantly know this SUV means business. The aggressive stance, widened fenders, reworked bumpers, and deep sculpted lines give it an aura that turns heads wherever it rolls. The bold front fascia with signature LED lighting and the imposing grille make sure that day or night, this SUV can't be ignored. Underneath its sculpted hood lies a muscular 5.7-liter V8 engine, pumping out a robust 383 horsepower and 403 pound-feet of torque. This engine has been refined to deliver smooth yet relentless performance. Whether you're carving through city streets or conquering a mountain trail, the LX 570 Wald delivers power with elegance. Its 8-speed automatic transmission ensures buttery shifts while maintaining the raw energy expected from an SUV of this stature. The Wald Edition's tuned suspension enhances handling, giving the massive frame an unexpectedly agile personality. Every corner feels deliberate, every acceleration purposeful. Lexus has created a machine that blends performance and comfort in perfect harmony. Inside, the Lexus LX 570 Wald Edition feels more like a private jet than a car. The cabin is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, complemented by wood veneers and brushed aluminum details. The moment you step inside, you're met with serenity and sophistication. Ambient lighting flows softly across the panels, and the seats cradle you in supreme comfort. Every surface feels rich to the touch, and every control is positioned exactly where it should be. The latest infotainment system dominates the center console with a wide touchscreen display offering crisp visuals, intuitive navigation, and seamless smartphone connectivity. The Mark Levinson premium sound system ensures that every drive feels like a private concert, with crystal-clear notes enveloping the cabin. The 2026 LX 570 Wald isn't just about luxury, it's about presence. The massive 22-inch Wald forged alloy wheels combined with the aerodynamic kit amplify its bold personality. The lowered stance and custom exhaust give it a throaty growl that announces its arrival with authority. Even at a standstill, it exudes motion. Wald International's craftsmanship is visible in every detail, from the custom badging to the unique matte finish accents, everything screams exclusivity. This is the kind of SUV you don't drive to blend in, you drive it to stand out. When it comes to capability, the LX 570 remains true to its Lexus DNA. Beneath all that luxury lies a highly capable off-road system equipped with multiple drive modes and adaptive height control. It can rise to clear rocky terrain or lower itself for sleek highway cruising. Lexus has also enhanced the four-wheel drive system to ensure maximum traction on every surface, from sand dunes to rain-soaked highways. Safety is another area where the 2026 model excels. The Lexus Safety System Plus now comes with advanced adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, pedestrian detection, and a full 360-degree camera system that gives the driver complete confidence, no matter the environment. Performance meets peace of mind in the LX 570 Wald. Even when you push it to its limits, it remains calm, composed, and confident. The steering feels precise, and the throttle response immediate. There's no drama, just effortless control. It's an SUV built for those who want everything: power, luxury, technology, and individuality, all wrapped in one commanding package. In a world full of luxury SUVs trying to look tough, the Lexus LX 570 Wald Edition doesn't try, it is tough. Its design blends the sophistication of a Lexus with the aggression of a custom-tuned performance vehicle. It's a symbol of dominance and taste, created for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. Every journey in the LX 570 Wald feels like an event, a celebration of engineering excellence and aesthetic mastery. Whether parked in a downtown skyline or powering through desert landscapes, the 2026 Lexus LX 570 Wald Edition stands tall as a true masterpiece of modern motoring. It's not just an SUV, it's a luxury experience on wheels, built for those who demand more than just comfort and speed. They want an icon, a machine that mirrors their success and individuality. And Lexus, with the Wald Edition, has delivered exactly that, a stunning combination of performance and presence that redefines what it means to drive luxury. The 2026 LX 570 Wald Edition proves that true power doesn't have to shout, it whispers in perfection, glides in silence, and roars only when challenged. It's the perfect balance of refinement and raw force, a rare breed of SUV that speaks to the heart of enthusiasts and the soul of luxury lovers alike. The road may have many competitors, but only one commands both respect and desire with every rev, the Lexus LX 570 Wald Edition 2026.